Bro, what if I told you you could start with literally nothing to build to $10,000? No inheritance, no rich uncle, no winning the lotto, no relying on a lucky break. You're gonna start with a plan, a proper one. And today, I'm gonna break down exactly what that looks like, to the letter. So you wanna stick around, cause honestly mate, this could reframe the way you view money forever. Okay, real talk. Starting from zero feels daunting. The truth is, they all started exactly where you are right now. Number 1, skills over luck. Before you even think about making a single pound, you gotta have something of value to offer someone. Writing, editing, graphic design, even just being really organized. It doesn't matter how small it might feel right now. Someone out there actually needs that exact skill. Number 2, the first $100 is the hardest thing. You are going to put yourself out there on freelance platforms, do a little job for a mate, help a small business out online, and earn your first quid. That's not just £100 though. That's evidence. That is tangible proof in your brain that this whole thing is actually possible. And when that proof exists, everything else is completely unlocked. Step 3. Reinvest, don't splurge. That first $100 turns into $200, then $500, and literally every penny that you earn in the very beginning needs to go back into growth. Bigger software, bigger skills, bigger visibility. Not new trainers, mate. Not yet. Number 4, scale with systems. When you are generating a consistent income, now you move away from trading your hours for money. You build processes. You build systems. Maybe bring in a little bit of help. Maybe you build something one time and sell it over and over and over again. Think about a digital product or service. And I gotta be honest with you here. The hardest part about this journey is not actually making the 10,000. It is the process of proving to yourself that you are capable of building something from nothing. And mate, that feeling is priceless. 0 to 10,000 is not some crazy tale. It's a process. It's boring. It's step by step, and it's simply a process that most people will quit too early on. So, here's my challenge to you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start today. Even if it's messy, even if it's small, because in 6 months' time, you are either going to have 10,000 reasons to be proud of yourself or exactly the same excuses that you're having right now. Hit that like, follow me, and I'll catch you on the next one.